bro.
Alright, so kailangan na natin pagupit.
Sa tingin ko nga, bro,
kakapal na ng mga buhok natin, no?
Ayun, so I think I need a haircut. If you agree, please give it a like. Let's go.
Let's go.
Alright. Ayun nga guys. Let's go to the spa. Go to the salon. I need a haircut. Ayan.
Since medyo mahaba na rin mga buhok natin, kailangan na natin magpabalik guwapo na ulit. Sir Pei yung magugupit sa atin ngayon. Yung stylist natin.
Gano'ng katagal ka na stylist, sir?
Almost 10 years.
Almost 10 years? Ooh, nice one.
Yun.
Sige po, sige po.
Game na tayo.
Oh. Free coffee pala tayo dito. So habang naghihintay para di makatulog, habang nag-cellphone, dire-diretso na tayo. Coffee na.
I am Joyce Padilla.
And I am JR Pineda, and we are the owner of Belleza Salon and Spa located here at Calulut, San Fernando, Pampanga. Tinayo namin siya nung July 30. Actually, bago pa lang siya. And gusto namin yung mga customer is ma-feel nila sa loob ng La Belleza is mas ma-relax sila. Madami siyang offer na services.
May mga services tayo sa mga hair, nails, and gel polish din. Sa color Brazilian ribbon, etc. And sa mga full color and highlights.
And super affordable po yung price. Yung mga stylist natin, mga staffs natin is well-trained and professional po sila. Mapifeel mo na mas ma-relax ka talaga.
Habang naghihintay tayo ng mga services or nagpapa-haircut dito, pwede rin tayo magpa-foot spa.
We invite you to visit our beauty salon and spa located at Calulut, New Barrio, Block 1, Lot 5 beside Chicken Star, San Fernando, Pampanga. Be beautiful with us. So, gusto namin ma-relax kayo, gusto namin gumanda kayo, gumawa po kayo, kami nang bahala sa inyo. So, let's go!
Alright! So, ayun nga guys, few minutes later and this is how we look.
Yeah, so mga bagong gupit na tayo.
Thank you so much, La Belleza Salon and Spa.
We are open from 10 a.m. until 7 p.m. Tuesday to Sunday.
Yun guys, so if you're looking for a salon, guys, another place for you to check out. Guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and when you share it, tag niyo pang We're in Pampanga.
So that's it. Thank you for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye guys, thanks for watching.